So, hello friends, this is how this volcano looks from the top. On my opinion, this is the most impressive crater in Reykjanes Peninsula because of its shape, also because of the colors and its location next to the ocean. It's a very special place, massive crater in size. See how it looks from the top and see how much scoria red rock is all around the crater. Very colorful, very impressive. We walked up the crater and took a few cycles around it. And strange that there are no tourists coming here, very few. It's kind of strange that people don't come to those places. They go just golden cycle to see good first waterfall and geyser, but just right next to Reykjavik you find this impressive crater, impressive volcano from 5,000 years ago. This is Nina walking on the top of the crater today on November 1st, and right next to the ocean you find impressive cliffs there, Krysuvik Volcanic cliffs. So enjoy the flight. I wish you all the best.